From brain-controlling fungi to blood-sucking fish, parasites are some of the creepiest and most fascinating creatures on Earth. These bizarre organisms have evolved in shocking ways to survive, and their methods will leave you speechless. Get ready as we dive into the top 10 most bizarre parasites that will make your skin crawl. First, Cordyceps fungus. This infamous fungus turns its insect hosts like ants and spiders into real-life zombies. Cordyceps infects the host's brain, forcing it to climb to high ground before killing it and sprouting a spore-filled stalk from its body. It takes over its host's mind to ensure the fungus spreads more effectively. Second, tongue-eating louse. This parasitic isopod targets fish, attaching itself to the fish's tongue. The louse then consumes the tongue and replaces it, functioning as a living replacement while feeding on the fish's blood and mucus. It's the only parasite known to replace an organ in its host. Third, guinea worm. The guinea worm begins its life cycle in water fleas. When humans drink infected water, the worm grows inside the body, sometimes reaching 3 feet long, and emerges painfully through the skin. Its gruesome exit strategy has been a symbol of parasitic horror for centuries. Fourth, Lancet liver fluke. This flatworm infects ants, forcing them to climb grass blades at night and cling on, increasing their chances of being eaten by grazing animals like cows. Inside the cow's liver, the fluke reproduces. It manipulates its host behavior to complete its life cycle. Cinquième, Sacculina. This barnacle parasite invades crabs, taking over their bodies. It alters the crab's behavior to care for its offspring, even sterilizing the crab to prevent competition. It essentially zombifies crabs and turns them into babysitters for its larvae. 6. Leucochloridium, zombie snail parasite. This flatworm infects snails and migrates to their eye stalks, causing them to pulsate in bright colors, mimicking caterpillars. Birds are attracted to the display, eating the snails and completing the parasite's life cycle. It transforms snails into living lures for predators. 7. Candiru, vampire fish. Found in the Amazon River, the Candiru is a tiny parasitic fish that targets larger fish by swimming into their gills to feed on blood. However, it's also infamous for occasionally entering the urethras of humans. Its unsettling reputation as a human parasite has made it a creature of nightmares. 8. Cymothoa exigua, tongue parasite. This isopod enters a fish's mouth, attaches itself to the tongue, and essentially becomes the fish's new tongue, feeding on the host's blood while still allowing the fish to eat. It's an example of a parasite that forms a bizarre symbiotic relationship with its host. 9. Hairworm. This parasite infects insects like crickets, forcing them to drown themselves in water where the hairworm can reproduce. It takes over the host's brain, compelling it to seek water even if it means suicide. 10th, Plasmodium, malaria parasite. The parasite responsible for malaria, Plasmodium, infects both mosquitoes and humans. It manipulates mosquitoes to become more attracted to human scent, increasing its chances of transmission. Its ability to manipulate both human and mosquito biology makes it a master manipulator. Parasites may be small, but their survival strategies are some of the most complex and horrifying in nature. From brainwashing insects to replacing organs, these bizarre creatures remind us of the intricate and sometimes unsettling balance of life. Which parasite creeped you out the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating deep dives into nature's strangest creatures.